A Zimbabwean traditional healer, Tinotenda Mutinhiri, has reportedly come forward claiming he wants to help the 31-year-old woman whose shocking, rapid aging story recently went viral across social media. According to reports, Mutinhiri says he had previously seen a vision about the woman's condition and now believes he can assist in restoring her appearance. He also stated that he would not begin any treatment without first getting permission from the woman and her family. The woman's story has sparked massive debate online, with many South Africans questioning what could have caused such a dramatic physical transformation at a young age. While some believe it could be linked to medical or health-related conditions, others have turned to spiritual explanations. Reports have also raised questions about the healer's legal status in South Africa, although this information has not yet been officially confirmed by authorities. As the story continues to spread online, social media users remain divided, with some supporting the traditional healer's offer, while others are calling for medical experts to intervene first. Do you think the family should allow the traditional healer to help, or should doctors handle the situation instead?
Umuthi obabemlokhu nje ngawo akusiwona umuthi wala umuthi abawulanda emazweni